This is my interactive whiteboard, and the lesson is about rhyming. Here I use just a simple whiteboard background to give it that image. And then the next page, this is a video. It plays the song Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, trying to show that rhyming is an element of music. We won't watch the whole thing. Next, I have the lyrics here, and this is one of my shapes where students take the star and drag it over one of the words that rhyme. So for example, star, R, high, sky, and so forth. And then on the next one, this one, I have my locked shape right here, which is the square, so that all of the images behind are hiding, but then you can drag them out. So for example, here's a snake, and then they have to decide which box it goes into. So for this one, it would be here. The next one, cake, also in that box. And then box, cat, car, star, and so forth. Because that one's locked, all the images can hide, and you can put them back in any order so that they can be used. And then the next page, this is the link. I have a link here. And it's a link to the Kahoot that I have for the assessment. So if you click on the link there, it will take you to the Kahoot quiz. And over here, I'll press play. And then you would just have the students type in the game code, and then they're able to do their assessment. So I will go ahead and go back so you can see the questions. Here's which word rhymes with lake. Do these words rhyme? Boy rhymes with, and so forth. You can see the quiz, and in the actual game format, they'll be able to race to get the right answer. And that is my interactive whiteboard.